Hello student, I am teaching class 1, chapter 2, Three Little Pigs. Chapter name is Three Little Pigs. Once there were three little pigs, Sonu, Monu and Gonu. Sonu lived in a house of straw, Monu lived in a house of stick and Gonu lives in a house of bricks. One day, a big bad wolf came to Sonu's house. He said, I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down. So he huffed and he puffed and he blew the house down. Sonu ran to Monu's house. The wolf came to Monu's house. He said, I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down. So he huffed and puffed and he blew Monu's house down. Sonu and Monu ran to Gonu's house. The wolf came to Gonu's house. He said, I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down. So he huffed and he puffed and he could not blow the brick's house down. It was very strong. The wolf went away and Sonu, Monu and Gonu lived happily together in the red brick house. Let's the summary of the story. This is the story of three little pigs named Sonu, Monu and Gonu. Sonu lived in a straw made house. Monu lived in a stick made house and Gonu lived in a brick made house. One day a wolf came and blew the house of Sonu's and Monu's. Sonu and Monu ran to Gonu's house. Wolf could not blow Gonu's house. Because it was strong. Wolf gave up and Sonu, Monu and Gonu all live in the bricks made house. यह तीन छोटे सुअरों की कहानी है जिनके नेम है सोनू, मोनू और गोनू। सोनू घास फूस के घर में रहता था, मोनू लकड़ी से बने घर में रहता था और गोनू ईंट से बने घर में रहता था। एक दिन एक भेड़िया आया और उसने सोनू और मोनू का घर उड़ा दिया। सोनू और मोनू गोनू के घर भागे तो भेड़िया उसके पीछे गोनू के घर आया, लेकिन वो भेड़िया गोनू का घर नहीं उड़ा पाया क्योंकि वह बहुत मजबूत था। भेड़िए ने हार मान ली और वो वहाँ से चला गया और और सोनू, मोनू और गोनू तीनों ईंट से बने घर में रहने लगे। Let's basic words and their meaning. Words meaning in English and meaning in Hindi. Pig, a kind of animal, means suar. Listen, listen means to hear and suno. Straw, straw means dry and long grass and घास फूस. Stick, sticks means piece of wood and eat. Brick, brick means fired clay, eat. Fire clay means eat. Wolf, wolf means a kind of animals and भेड़िया. Huff and puff means blow out in air and हवा में उड़ा देना. Blew, blew means past of blow and उड़ा दिया. Ran, ran means past of run and भागा. Strong, strong means very hard and मजबूत. Together, together means with each other and एक साथ. ये सब मीनिंग्स आपको अपने नोटबुक में लिखना है. राइट इन नोटबुक्स in words. Let's read the sentence. Number 1. The wolf was big and bad. Second sentence. The pig was not big. Do homework. Write in notebook the questions. First questions. How many pigs were there? Repeat the question first. How many pigs were there? Second question. What did the big wolf say to the pigs? Repeat the second questions. What did the big wolf say to the pigs? Third questions. Was the wolf good or bad? Repeat the third questions. Was the wolf good or bad? Fourth question. What is your house made of? Repeat the fourth question. What is your house made of? Fifth question. Who is good? And sixth question. Who is bad? Animals and their sound. Bho bho says the dog. Mew mew says the cat. Bill bill says the goat. Roar roar says the lion. Hello hello says the child. Write in your notebook animals and their sound. First, a cat mews. A dog barks. A cow moves. A goat builds. A lion roars. A pig grunts. A sheep built. A donkey brays. Cat sounds mews. Dog sounds barks. Cow sound moves. Goat sound builds. Lion sounds roar. Pig sounds grunt. Sheep sound builds. And donkey sound brays.